Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can make your Android smartphone perform faster in less than 2 minutes. Let's take a look at the speed before we proceed. Seems to be a little bit slow. Now let's get this fixed. Go to Settings. Scroll down to About Phone and select it. Let's take a look at the speed before we proceed. Tap on build number 7 times to enable developer option. Now navigate back twice and open developer option. Scroll down till you get to drawing area. Select the 3 indicated options one after the other and put them on ×5. That's it. Now let's take a look at how fast it's now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.